Wait, is that Marshmello? Wait a minute. Wait! Hey! We're doing a face reveal! What? We're doing a face reveal! Turn to the camera! Say cheese! Okay, I just freaking yeeted Marshmello across the room. He's dead on the floor. This is what his face looks like. Now that that's settled, let's go review the new iPhone. Stupid UPS. Damaged the package. Okay.
Yay!
Okay, we're in my unboxing room. Okay. Now let's see what's inside. Okay. A nice package. As you can see, it's a real iPhone. Open! Oh my god. Open! Wow, very real iPhone. Wow. Okay, let's plug it in. Okay, it's been 3 hours. Let's test it. Right now, this new phone is designed to be durable. Don't worry, guys, it's extremely durable. Now let's test it. Fucking test. Not a single crack. Waterproofing test. It's nice and waterproof. It's very waterproof. How waterproof? I think it's really waterproof, guys. Wow, it is waterproof. I didn't just waste those $10,000. Please do not. Durability test 2. The only crack is in my wall. Ooh, it's a little damaged, but as you can see, it still works. I think we should break it as much as possible. I mean, that's nothing.
I just seem to be damaged it a little. No, I won't.
Give me that.
I chuck it. Right.
Follow the camera. Stop it.
I'm
Stop
holding in the camera.
Stop it. No, I don't need you to hold my camera. Stop it.
Now let's see if...
Oh boy, I sure love my job throwing rocks in a pool. Oh no, that's an iPhone 12. Oh my gosh, it's okay. It still works. Wow, this thing is durable. Watch this. No cracks. And it still works. Die! Uh-oh, guys. I think it's broken. All better. Be right back. Oh, crap. Okay, guys, I broke it. But I have this and this. So, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, that goes together like that. Okay, guys, I think, how did it break? Okay, that's how it goes. There. Now that I've done that, this comes into play. Nice. Okay. Tape. Okay. And it still works. Okay, now for the ultimate test. I heard a rumor somewhere that it's fireproof. Guys, fire time. Wow, guys, it's fireproof. Even though the fire was only on it for like 2 seconds. And look, it still works. Okay, that was a pretty good phone. I might use it as my new phone. It might be my replacement phone. It's a very durable phone too.